Why every cleaner should be email marketing right now. Marketing to past clients and prospects is your number one best marketing investment. This is the one thing that every marketing guru, advertising person agrees on. This is just the most well-known really part of marketing. Your best marketing is done to past clients. So here's the good, actually the great part of what I'm going to tell you in this video. The number one lowest cost way to market to clients and prospects is by email. You can do this for as low as $20 per month, and we're not going to get into the specifics of the technicality of how to do it. I'll give you some examples in a second, but through Aweber Constant Contact, you can do that type of thing. We have a report with a link underneath this video on how to do the specifics of email marketing. You can do it for very, very inexpensive. So during the winter, during slow times, email marketing is perfect, but all year throughout the year, email marketing is perfect. And what you need to do is really some educational, client-based email newsletters based on seasons and holidays. And here's just a few examples. This is a Valentine's Day email. The subject is about falling in love with your carpet and really educating them about why they might not be in love with their carpet anymore and helping them to stay in love with their carpet. Here's a St. Patrick's Day email where we educate them about the 5 myths that are deadly to your carpet, telling them how to protect their carpet and keep their carpet looking great. Here is a spring mailer where we show them about fresh, clean carpet and floors for spring. And again, a nice little picture with an article that educates them about how to take care of their stuff. This email is sent in fall, and it's just educating them about cleaning and what experts recommend. And here's another email that's really for Thanksgiving and a little bit after fall gets into play with letting them know about the fresh, clean carpet and floors for the holidays when the holidays start coming around. But you can send emails like this for super inexpensive. When I say $20 a month, that's $20 to market to perhaps thousands of people. There's really no cheaper way to get back in touch with your clients. It's super cheap. It's super easy. So do it. Now, there is just one thing. Here is the bad part of this that I've been doing a little bit of research on and looking at some numbers that I kind of feel like is a damaging truth about email marketing. Your client, your prospect, is usually female if it's cleaning, and she's busy. She doesn't remember you. She doesn't really have time to keep track of all of her emails. And here are some of the stats that I've kind of looked up, and these are probably actually toned down just a little bit, but nonetheless, I like to just be honestly thinking about marketing and what it's really doing, so you guys need to be aware of this. When we ask clients for their email address, it seems like around, on the high side, 90% of them actually give us their email. 10% of them either refuse or don't have an email, right? Now, what we also figure out is only 60% of our clients actually give you a correct email. How many times do you have an email address that you don't really use or check very much, and that's the email that you give out for junk email, right? Well, that's done quite a bit for your clients too. Also, after even the people that give you their email address, only around 50% of them stay on your email newsletter list for any length of time. And this gets depressing, but keep in mind, it's so cheap to do, you should still do it. Now, here's what even goes down from there is only about 40% of your clients ever even really glance at your subject line. I don't mean open up the email, but even glance at your subject line. And really, only 10% of them maybe even open up your emails on any type of a regular basis. So then you might go, well, geez, should I still even be email marketing? Absolutely. You still can't communicate to your clients on such a timely manner for such little money. Because the other beautiful part about email marketing is it can be done quickly. Postcards take a long time to send out. Other advertising takes a long time to get together and send out. Email can be done on a whim anytime that you want to do it. So you should still absolutely do it, because even then, you're getting 40% of the people that are really part of your clients to at least glance at your subject line to be reminded about who you are. So for the price that email marketing costs, it's great. It's beautiful. Is email marketing the cure-all for everything? Absolutely not. But for the little money that it costs, it's a very wonderful thing to do. But I say this to also let you know that not all of your clients are going to be communicating with you over email. Some of them just flat out don't want emails from a cleaning company. So you still can't neglect those clients and lose half of your clients. Half of them might want your emails. The other half really don't, really at all, maybe even a little bit more than half. Still, that's not to say that you shouldn't do it, because you still should, but as well, make sure that you're sending something regularly to them in the mail. This is a client educational postcard where we send out in spring, where we let them know what carpet mills recommend for cleaning, what the EPA recommends, and how frequent cleaning helps. Just an educational client newsletter postcard. It's an 8.5 by 5.5 inch client newsletter postcard that we send out in the spring. And the other side, we let them know, dear friend and client, it's spring cleaning time, and then we give them a special offer. This is super important to do in conjunction with email marketing, Facebook marketing, and other kinds of marketing that you want to do to your current clients. But don't just do one marketing to your clients. Your clients are the most valuable part of your business. They are the gold mine in your business and the real value in your business. So market to your clients in multiple ways. Email marketing, yes, the cheapest way to do it. Do it. But don't let her forget you. Market to her in multiple ways. You can get my free email guide at hitmanadvertising.com/blog. There should be a link underneath this video. If you also would like some email templates or postcard templates, contact me at 850-474-1110 or go to hitmanadvertising.com.